Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be talking about whether you should buy an iPad or a Wacom or any other drawing tablet. This video is specifically for beginners who are just starting out. So this video is going to help you decide whether to buy an iPad or a drawing tablet. So without any further ado, let's just jump right in. So the first key factor to decide whether to buy an iPad or a drawing tablet is the ability to see the image you're drawing on. So when you buy an iPad, you can actually see what you're drawing onto the screen, obviously, which makes it a lot easier to draw, and the experience is really good. As compared to drawing tablets, you cannot really see anything onto the tablet when you're drawing. You'll be able to see the image that you're drawing onto your computer or your laptop, unless you buy a higher version of the drawing tablet, which actually enables you to see the image you're drawing onto, and those are pretty expensive than an iPad sometimes. So if this is something matters to you the most, I think you should go for an iPad as compared to a higher version of the Wacom tablet, as they are quite expensive. Okay guys, so the next key factor is portability. Now portability means the functionality of the device independent from the laptop or computer. Now for iPad, you don't need any laptop or PC to be able to plug it into or to be able to mirror the screen, because the device is self-sufficient and you can actually take that device anywhere you go and you can draw anywhere you want to. As compared to drawing tablet, you actually need laptop or PC to connect it with to kind of mirror the screen and to kind of see what you're drawing. Okay, so the next major key factor is software choice. Now, drawing tablets are used to mirror the screen of your laptop or your computer, so you guys will be able to use the full version of the softwares like Photoshop, Illustrator, or any other, software that you might have on your computer. So as compared to iPad, you can only use some drawing apps on the iPad to draw. My favorite one is Procreate, which is good to go. It is not close to Photoshop. Obviously Photoshop is a full-fledged software that allows you to do everything you want to do. iPad only allows you to use a certain amount of apps. iPad is really good to go, as we have a lot of good, really good drawing apps on the iPad. Now the next key factor is functionality. So for iPad, obviously you can use it for multiple things, right? You don't just use it for drawing. You can watch movies on it, you can watch YouTube, you can do a lot of things on iPad. As compared to drawing tablets, they are only used for drawing and only for drawing and nothing else. So this is also a really important part in deciding whether you want to buy an iPad or drawing tablet. Okay guys, so the next key factor which actually helps you in deciding whether to buy an iPad or drawing tablets is its affordability. So if you're a beginner and you're just starting out and you're on a budget, then I'd highly recommend you guys to purchase a drawing tablet, as we have a number of options in drawing tablets. You can either buy most expensive ones or the cheapest ones, and the one that I recommend buying is Wacom One, which is quite affordable. And if you're just starting out and you don't have enormous amount of money to throw, then I'd highly recommend purchasing Wacom One tablet, which is quite inexpensive. And if you are okay with your budget and if you're open to purchase any tablet, you can actually go ahead and purchase an iPad, as iPads are quite expensive as compared to drawing tablets. And also we do have certain drawing tablets which are expensive, but at least we have options for the money that we are going to spend on the drawing tablet. But as for iPad, we don't have any options. They are just expensive. So yeah, based on your budget, if you are on a budget and if you cannot really spend that much, I'd highly recommend purchasing a drawing tablet, as drawing tablet is enough for you to start out as a digital artist. The next major thing is pencils. Now for drawing tablet, you actually get the pencils along with the whole tablet, so you don't really have to worry about purchasing the pencil from somewhere else. But when you purchase an iPad, you'll have to purchase the pencil. And the best pencil for iPads are obviously Apple Pencil, which are expensive too. So that's something you can actually consider when you are going to purchase a tablet, is that if you are willing to kind of spend your money on pencil independent from the tablet. Now this brings me to the next point, which is pencil pressure. Now this is not a deciding factor, but I'm just going to discuss it anyways. The pencil pressure for both of the pencils that we get with the drawing tablets or the Apple Pencil are pretty good. I've used both of them, and I can assure you guys that both of these are really good in terms of pencil pressure. You'll feel as if you are actually drawing on a paper, so you don't really have to worry about on that part. So you can just go ahead and decide if you are actually willing to spend money on pencil separate from the drawing tablet, or you just want the pencil along with the drawing tablet. This is it for today's video, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed and found this video helpful. I really hope that I helped you guys in deciding what to buy and what not to buy. And yeah, and if you did like this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel. I post every Monday and Friday. And also do let me know what challenges you guys are facing for deciding whether to buy an iPad or a drawing tablet. I might help you guys in the comment section below. Other than that, I will see you guys the next time.